Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix an iPhone when incoming calls go straight to voicemail. So first, make sure your iPhone actually has a mobile signal. If you have poor or no service, calls may fail to connect properly and go straight to voicemail. Try moving to an area with better reception and check the signal bars at the top of your screen. Next, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open Control Center. Next, look for focus mode or do not disturb. If any focus setting is enabled, it can silence incoming calls and notifications without you realizing it. So tap it to turn it off, then test whether calls are now coming through. So if that doesn't solve it, open your settings app, scroll down and tap on apps, then find and select phone. Inside the phone settings, scroll down until you see silence unknown callers. If this option is turned on, calls from numbers that are not saved in your contacts will automatically be silenced and sent straight to voicemail. That could easily be the reason this is happening, so tap into it and switch it off. If that turns gray, that means it's turned off. Now, while you're still in the phone settings, you can also check block contacts. So scroll down until you find block contacts. So open it and look through the list. If you see a number or contact that should not be blocked, swipe left on it and tap on unblock. So just tap on that unblock button to unblock the number. Now, if calls are still going straight to voicemail after checking those settings, the next thing is to try force restart. So, to do that, quickly press and release volume up, then quickly press and release volume down, then press and hold the side power button. So, just keep holding it even after the screen turns black and only release when you see the Apple logo appear. Once your iPhone turns back on, test another incoming call and see if it now rings normally. And that's it. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe.